it's Graham Rogers from Oven Cleaning TV, the internet's most passionate oven cleaning channel. Right, today I'm showing you the NV200 and the way we fit it out for our franchisee Bradley Walsh. So here it is, here's the dip tank. It's a plastic dip tank which uses electricity to heat up, and it's been insulated on the sides and underneath to maintain the temperature. It hasn't got insulation on the top, but that's something we are looking into doing for the next tanks we do. The rear part area has been partitioned off and it's been completely lined with plastic and sealed to ensure that no fluids go from the back compartment into the inner compartment, which has been a problem in the past with us. We've got some drying cloths there, and we've got on this side we've got the rinse gun. We rinse off the items we take out of the dip tank. So that's the new van for our new franchisee Bradley Walsh, who will be covering North Hants area. Until next time, goodbye.